I'm pleased to share this exclusive investment opportunity with you guys. This has been our main project since 2022 when we start our initial research and all the due diligence about this project. I would like to take a moment to introduce you our management team. Before we start the presentation, I would like to share with you that you guys receive a link so you can go to the Appfolio, which is our investor portal. We have here how it will looks like once that you click on that link. Once that you have able to log in, this will be the first page that you will see. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will see the list of documents. We are completely open book. So without any other delays, I would like to let the control to Jim.
All right. Well, thank you for being here. Give yourselves a round of applause. Thank you for being here tonight. I know it's a Wednesday night. My name is Jim Jimenez. I'm one of the owners and, of course, part of this beautiful team, a wonderful team we've assembled tonight, talking about the Cambria Hotel. It's an amazing project. I'm general counsel and co-founder of Atlantikos Capital, which serves as the sponsor. And the reason we call it a sponsor is because we do all of our presentations through something that the Securities and Exchange Commission requires, which is called a private placement memorandum for accredited investors. And that means that our transactions, by law, have to be transparent and accessible to the investor. But it's also our MO, it's our modus operandi. We like to operate that way with our investors because we want our investors to have total and complete access to everything that we talk about tonight. And that way, whatever decision you make is the decision you make as an informed investor, as opposed to someone who's kind of guessing at what we're trying to do. So it's it's an honor for me to be here with you tonight and with my friends. And one of the things that we decided when Johan and I first began this project, and other folks have come along with us in this process, was that Johan and I, are not hoteliers, but we have hired an amazing, experienced management team with years of experience. Their name is Paramount Hospitality Management. Their president is Marco Manzi, and they are the day-to-day operators of many successful hotels in Central Florida, and they will be operating our hotel as well. So your investment is not just going at something that's pie in the sky. It's actually an investment that's going into an operation that's going to be professionally managed, from employment to everything having to do with the running of the hotel. So without further ado, I would like to introduce to you my friend, Marco Manzi, president of Paramount Hospitality Management.
First of all, thank you for the introduction. And one of the things I wanted to talk about is Jim mentioned about Miami. He said when he was in South Florida, the traffic wasn't what it is today. This is how we vision Ocoee. Ocoee is the third fastest growing city in the Orange County market today. The infrastructure, the city of Ocoee is working currently on expanding the infrastructure, which will come along right in front of our property. So if you look at Ocoee, they have a goal: residential, commercial businesses, and entertainment. Entertainment being sports complexes, plural, shopping, food and beverage venues. So they're looking to take this city and really bring it to a much greater lift. There is no product in the market, nor scheduled to come in the market, in the upscale arena today. As far as the hotel that will have the cliche that this property will have. This Cambria, and I think you may have seen some photos of this Cambria, is absolutely beautiful. And I'm not saying that because of our involvement, but if you've seen the photos for yourself, you can see the building, the mural, the rooftop. So the features and benefits are going to be an attraction within itself, within the destination. This is what makes this really something special in this corridor. We plan on really capturing what is considered to be leakage that has left that environment because there was nothing there to offer them what we're bringing into the marketplace. This is exciting. 116 keys. It's not a lot of keys. It's not a lot of rooms to fill. food and beverage venue. We have a Rooftop that's going to be an exciting venue, offering food and beverage, offering nightlife, with about 1,500 square feet of flex space, meeting space, approximately the size of the room you're in now. We believe that this will add to the occupancy of the hotel as well. What is unique about this Ocoee market, this hotel is on the upper side of the upscale, if you can imagine. Why? Because of the features and benefits and the build out of this asset. This again was done by design in order for us to capture business that we believe is leakage today, but furthermore, to Jim's comment about Miami, what will be the future for this community, for the Ocoee community. But I want you to know the city is very inspired by what we're looking to put here. With the brand, we decided to go with Cambria, again, because of the flexibility and because of the strength that they have through Choice Hotels, and they're not diluted in the market. So we wouldn't be losing fair share in the market. So it's a fast-growing brand. They're putting a lot of money behind the Cambria. I don't know if any of you saw the commercials on TV for Choice Hotels, but they really highlight Cambria, and it shows in a very upper upscale environment as they present it on TV in their commercials, which I think is excellent for brand identification.
So basically, what is this? What is the investment that you're going to have? You're going to have a convertible note. So basically, you're going to receive a note, which is a debt, with a coupon with a 12%. You have the option to convert it into limited partnership shares. Once that you do, you'll be a partial owner of the hotel. If you decide to stay as a note, you will receive a good coupon, 12%, backed by this investment and the guarantees that this investment offers. But if you do, you will receive, in my opinion, a very good return. Let's say that you invest, the minimum as you see is 50K. The note is six years. The 20 is 23.1 IRR, and the multiplier on investment capital is 2.43. So if you invest $1 million, you will receive in 6 years, more or less, $2.43 million. The next important part is, where is the source of payment for these returns? You don't want to be in a business, or you could, but you could be in a business where you depend on the performance of the hotel entirely. Here, we have different sources of income, and different sources of money. We have Cambria, for example. We have key money there for $2 million. We have the PACE program for 10.4. We are selling only $7 million, plus the dividends from the hotel and the refinancing of the project. So the exit strategy for me in every investment is very important. What is the exit strategy? At the year 6, when we reach the 6 years level of the note, we will refinance it, and we will, of course, receive new money, and we can buy you out if you decide not to stay. In my opinion, many of you would like to stay. Why? This is as you can see, on year 3, before year 3, if you invest $1 million, you will receive $518,000. That's almost 52%, and it's coming from PACE program or other sources, but mostly from PACE program in Florida. So your exposition will only be 48%. Then comes the years of the building, the years of the operation, which you can see a projected one of the returns. On year 6, the hotel has matured. As you can see, is $162,000 as a return. The exit strategy is a cap rate of 6.5. You already heard me and heard Marco. This 6.5 right now is calculated on these numbers. Will be better. Your exit strategy should be better. We're almost shovel ready. We will start building soon. The PACE program should come by the end of 2027.
Everything has been explained. I won't say everything. I mean, there is so much information that you guys don't know. But the most important is to know that this investment is secure, right? Nothing is going to be 100% secure, right? What happened in China and by the United States tomorrow, right? everything is finished, right? I will know. Then we try to make this investment the most secure as we can. Why we care so much making this investment secure? Because we have our own money. We don't have just our money. We have our kids' money. We have our grandkids' money. That means on every single project that we do, we put our own blood. That means we make sure that whatever we do, we know what we're doing. Things that you don't know, but once you start looking on the numbers, we have people specialized right here to make sure the numbers match. Every number has to match. We have to make sure where the number is coming from. What are the mistakes? What are the errors? On every single number, we have a margin of error of 10%. What 10? You see 10%? I don't know if you guys know about margin of errors, but we have to make sure the prices increase. If something happened, the tariff from Trump increased prices, we have that 10% margin of error on every single number. Just FYI, 2 weeks ago, we have a meeting with a construction company and we went over all the numbers. Every number that you will see right now is updated. That means the return on investment that you see right now is updated. Something that Jose said is also correct. Yes, we are not putting everything right on the screen right now. That means the rooftop numbers are not there. We are only using 146 ADR. ADR means the price of the rooms. If you see the feasibility study that has been uploaded yesterday, because we got it yesterday, it says 192. Wow, what a difference. But we are not using 192. We're using 146. What I'm trying to say, we are trying to be as much conservative we can because we have to protect our money. I have to protect my kids' money, that we don't lose it. And that's what we're doing right now. We're inviting you guys. We're inviting you to be part of this project. This is our next project. We have many coming up, but this is the one, and you're here. We started 2023. Now right now as we speak, is the time that we're taking pledges. Something different here, and something I have seen in Miami, is here you own the property. Here you are part of ownership. That means your shares is part of the LLC that owns the land. That means if you go to the documents, you will see the deed under the same company that you will receive shares. That means you own the land. We're sharing this with everybody. You are not buying units into another company. Then if you guys want to be part, just have this right here. Forward it to Jose, forward it to me. If you want to, if you guys have access online, just go online, do the login, and you can also do the pledge. We are trying to finish everything by the end of the month of June. Then we are going to be calling all the pledge by the end of the month of June. If you want to be part, just let us know. Thank you guys, thank you for all your time. After this, we are going to open the reception. If anybody got questions, we are here. We're going to be here. You can approach us and talk to us. And thank you so much for being here. Okay? God bless everybody.